nyo, matatakot ako sa misis ko. Walang undress dito, bro.
Joke lang yun, di ba? Alam nila. Alam nila.
You listen to me, babe. Let me have my things. Nararamdaman mo yun, Ma?
Yeah,
Parang,
I feel you, para.
Pwede bang wag mo akong ganyan eh? Ha? Pwede bang walang ganyan-ganyan? Ganyan natin sasabihin yun, bro.
Hi, Julie. Hi, Julie.
Hi, baby. Hi.
What is that?
I'm just building something here. This is what we won from the raffle. We won this one as well. We won raffle. We won it in the raffle, and I'm just installing it for work, for investment.
Investment.
That's investment, lang, babe.
Raffle investment.
Yeah, investment. For you.
Soldier boy, tough.
For me.
For us.
For us.
I'm doing all of this for you, for our son. It's just investing. So, kasi siyempre, we're doing more events, ECQ. I have to do this. That's okay, diba?
You sound awfully nervous.
I'm not.
Tumba ang umano'y papatakas na magnanakaw sa Maynila. Ang nahulikam na insidente, tinutukan ni Mark Salazar.
I'm fine. I'm working for us. I'm just putting the PC baby for work, huh? Okay, I love you. I'm fine. I love you so much. I love you. Yeah. I'll go down after I work. Okay, I love you.
That's your fifth I love you.
I just love you talaga naman.
Are you alone?
Pero nakita mo yun, di ba? Sumagot ako. Di ba nakita mo yun?
Oo,
Medyo parang,
grabe.
I stood-
Pinanindigan mo.
I stood
Pinanindigan
my
niya.
ground.
I saw 10% kasi nakatalikod ako. I don't want to be involved
I
dito. Kasi
appreciate you giving us privacy.
natakot ako baka mamaya magkamutaasan mo ng
Pero nakita mo
boses.
yun, di ba? Sabi ko, uy, para sa atin to.